Hello student, this is the another video of chapter 18 pollution of air and water, and here in this video we are going to discuss about some question and answer, and this is the chapter taken from class 8 science. Okay, the subject is science and the class is 8th, and here we are going to discuss about some question and answer taken from the question chapter 18, pollution of air and water. So let's see. The first question is, what is biological magnification? Biological magnification क्या होता है? So this is the process where toxic substances move up the food chain and become more concentrated at each level. Okay, ये क्या है? This is a natural process in which any poisonous or toxic substance get into the food chain, okay, and it becomes more concentrated at each level of food chain. So this process of um, increase in the poisonous substance in each level of food chain is called as biological magnification. Okay, for example, suppose there is an aquatic body, and in that aquatic body some poison is there. So whatever the poison will be, it will get into the fishes, okay, fishes, and the toxic will get accumulated in the bodies of fishes. When these fishes will be eaten up by other organism, then that poison, that toxic substance will move into the another animal's body and it will get accumulated and it will increase in the concentration. Okay, because that animal, suppose there is an aquatic bird and that aquatic bird will eat the fish, that bird will not take that bird will not take only one fish, it will eat more than one fish, and so the amount of toxic substance will increase in the body of bird, and this phenomenon will be called as biological magnification. So this is the first question. Now we'll see the next question. Next question is asking you that what are the effects of various exhaust gases on the health of human body? जो गैसेस रिलीज होती हैं एनवायरनमेंट में फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट सोर्सेस, उसका ह्यूमन बॉडी की हेल्थ पर क्या असर पड़ता है? ओके, सो द आंसर इज द ब्रीदिंग ऑफ पोल्यूटेड एयर कंटेनिंग डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, pollen grains, cement dust, acidic and poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide for a long period can cause respiratory problems and diseases of lungs such as bronchitis, pneumonia, lung cancer, asthma, tuberculosis, and the smoke causes breathing problem like asthma, cough, and wheezing in children. Okay, जो भी exhaust gases निकलती हैं या फिर जो भी polluted air में जो भी pollutants होते हैं, अगर उसको लॉन्ग पीरियड तक अगर हम इनहेल करें उस पोल्यूटेड एयर को, देन इट कैन कॉज द रिस्पायरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इट कैन कॉज द डिजीजेस ऑफ लंग्स, उससे जो है लंग्स की डिजीजेस हो सकती हैं एंड रिस्पायरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, जैसे कि ब्रोंकाइटिस, निमोनिया, लंग कैंसर, अस्थमा, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस। एंड जो स्मोक होता है एयर में, एंड अगर उसको हम प्रोलॉन्ग लॉन्ग रन में उसको हम इनहेल करते हैं, दैट स्मोक दैट कैन कॉज the problems like asthma, cough, and wheezing in children. Okay, so pollutants are always harmful for the health of human beings as well as for the animals. Now, the next question is, what are the effects of acid rain? Acid rain के क्या effects होते हैं? So, as you know, the the gases like sulfur dioxide SO2 and the oxides of nitrogen like NO2, N2O, okay, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, these gases react with the water in the environment and they make the acid. Okay, and during the rain these acid fall on the surface of the earth, that is called acid rain. Okay, and this acidic rain is very harmful for all the living beings as well as to the non living beings. Okay, so it can cause damage to the crop plants. Okay, whenever it will fall on the crop plants it can damage them. It corrodes statues, buildings, monuments, metal structures. एसिड रेन जो है वो स्टैचूज को, बिल्डिंग्स को, मोन्यूमेंट, मेटल स्ट्रक्चर को क्या करेगी, कोरोड कर सकती है, इट कैन डैमेज देम एंड इट हार्म्स एक्वेटिक लाइफ वेन एवर द एसिड रेन mix into the aquatic body mix into the water of aquatic body, then it can harms the aquatic life, it can pollute the water, and it causes marble cancer. Okay, acid rain is the reason of marble cancer when it, as you know, you can take the example of Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal is made up of the marble. Okay, marble stone. When acid rain when falls on the marble, it corrodes it, and that is called as marble cancer. So there are lots of harmful effects can be caused by acid rain. Now the next is, what is sewage? Why is it harmful to release untreated sewage in water body? Sewage क्या होता है, और अगर हम सीवेज को अनट्रीट, बिना ट्रीट किए ही जो है वो अगर हम वाटर बॉडी में डंप कर देते हैं तो उससे क्या नुकसान होगा? सो सीवेज इज द वेस्ट वाटर कंटेनिंग बोथ लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड वेस्ट produced by harm human activities from homes, industries, hospital, offices, etc. ठीक है, सीवेज क्या है? वेस्ट वाटर है, इट इज द वेस्ट वाटर. ओके, एंड इट कंटेन्स बोथ लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड वेस्ट. इसमें लिक्विड और सॉलिड दोनों वेस्ट पाए जाते हैं जो कि मैन मेड एक्टिविटीज के रिजल्ट में प्रोड्यूस होता है, लाइक फ्रॉम आवर होम, फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्रीज, फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल्स, फ्रॉम ऑफिसेज, एटसेट्रा. Okay, the question is asking you, the second part of the question is asking you how is it harmful. Okay, ये harmful कैसे, अगर हम इसको बिना treat किए water body में dump करते तो कैसे नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. So you can see here, sewage contains various contaminants including disease causing bacteria and other microbes. Sewage में जो है वो disease causing bacteria और बहुत सारे pathogenic microbes होते हैं जो कि जो कि क्या कर सकते हैं, बीमारियां फैला सकते हैं. दे कैन कॉज द एपिडेमिक. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज हार्मफुल. If untreated sewage is discharged into rivers or seas, when the water in the rivers or seas would also get contaminated. अगर untreated sewage को हम रिवर या सी में डालते हैं तो जो रिवर और सी का पानी है वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, कंटामिनेट हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल कॉज द पोल्यूशन. If this contaminated water is used for drinking, then it can cause diseases such as cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc., which may lead to the death. सीवेज को अनट्रीट, अगर हम उसको ट्रीट नहीं करते तो उसमें बहुत सारे जर्म्स पाए जाएंगे जो कि उस वाटर बॉडी में जाएंगे, और अगर उस कंटामिनेटेड वाटर बॉडी को हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, then it can cause different kind of waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc., and these diseases can lead to the death also. That is why it is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into the rivers or sea. So this is all for this video. Thank you.